Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today what I have for you guys is an unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max and 11 Pro official Apple cases. These are the product red colors. So before I get into this video completely, please head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and you'll get notified as soon as I make another upload. Alright, so therefore let me get into this. It's really gonna be a really quick video today, guys. So as you can see, I have the 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max here. So the 11 Pro here in my hand right here, this is the silver, and the 11 Pro Max we got in gold. All right, so these cases that I currently have on here is the clear case. I got these at Walmart for like $4.99. As you can see here, it's a crystal case, see-through. So that's what I currently have on both phones, and this is the 11 Pro, and I have the clear case on it, as you can see. All right, so that's the clear case that I just took off. I have the same cases on both phones. So as you can see, I have, this is the one that was on the 11 Pro, and this is the one that was on the Pro Max right here. All right, so as you can see here now, I have this for the 11 Pro Max, product red, iPhone official Apple cases. This is the product red for the 11 Pro Max, as you can see here, and this is the one for the 11 Pro. And as you can see, it has the Apple logo here in the center of the back of the case. On the previous versions for the older iPhones, they had them a little bit higher, about here closer to the cutout, but now they pretty much have it lined up in the same spot as the logo that's on the back of the phone, which is right here. As you can see, it's a little bit more centered. All right, so first I'm gonna take out the one for the iPhone 11 Pro. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. So let's open this case. All right, so all we gotta do, rip this paper off, take it out, and here's it, guys. You can see here, got kind of lining inside here, feels really soft. And then you have the silicone case right here, looks really nice in color. As you can see, it's a kind of deep red. The reflection from the camera, it probably doesn't seem that deep of a red, but it's a really deep red. It's the same red that was on the iPhone XR to be exact. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit this in the case. So you put the top of the phone in, and then you slide it in there like that. So there, that's how it looks, guys. Looks really beautiful, looks really nice. Focus there, camera, focus what's going on here. All right, there we go. So you can see, looks really nice. Everything lines up, buttons feel really nice as well, and you can see the perfect fit in the back here for the camera. So it's a nice case, looks really sleek, looks really nice. It's raised above the bezel of the phone here, so you can put it down on the face here without worrying about scratching your screen or anything. As you can hear that sound right on this case right here. And the bottom is totally open, so you have access to your ports really easy. You don't have to be worrying about sticking anything in between the cutouts at the bottom of the other cases. And it looks really sleek and nice, nothing too bulky, you know, really nice. All right, so looks really nice with the silver as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the one for the 11 Pro Max. I'm really curious to see how this looks on the gold iPhone, because I have the gold, the Pro Max in gold, and I want to see how this looks. If it's weird, then I probably have to get another color, but I really like the red one. All right, looks really nice, guys. The good thing about it is all the iPhones, the front, they're blacked out, so any case looks really nice from the front. And there it is with the gold. Not bad, looks really nice with the gold. And the back as well, yeah, looks really nice. The gold look really, it matches, looks really nice with the gold. So if you're pretty much considering getting one of these cases and you have the gold iPhone thinking it would not match, it looks really nice with the red case on. Looks really nice. And it has the cutout at the bottom as well, down here. Not too off as I thought it would be with the red case and the gold iPhone, but so far it looks really nice. Can't complain at all. Alright, so if you're pretty much considering getting these cases, no matter what color iPhone you have, it's gonna match with the red, in my opinion. And thank you guys for watching. And these, I got these at Best Buy. They're pretty much like $39 a piece. Since I'm a Best Buy member, as far as the rewards member, I got these on a deal, so they were actually 20 bucks off. So from $39.99 to $19.99, I got a special on these for being a Best Buy member. So if you're a member from Best Buy and pretty much check your email from time to time, you don't even have to check the email, you can just go on the website, search for the product you want, and sometimes they have the prices listed with special member savings where you get like 40% off, 25% off, depending on the day when they have it. You just got to keep checking, and you run into some deals for just being a rewards member, you know. So definitely keep that in mind if you're a shopper at Best Buy. And again, remember guys, head on down below this video, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, and you'll get notified as soon as I make another upload. And thank you for watching. Peace.